Hey guys, welcome back again in this second tutorial of networking with Cisco Packet Tracer. So guys, in this video I'll just teach you a first project of networking. So without delay, let me start. We're just going to create a connection between a router and switch with end devices. This is a switch and this is a router. Then let me put even this devices. This is called the PC1. As you can see, this is a PC1. Let me put even laptop with a server. So we have three devices. We're going to connect them to the switch and switch to the router. To make that connection, we have to use the cables. This is a cable we want to connect with switch and PC. It's a copper cable. We have to select it. After selecting, once you select, you come and click to the device you want to connect. Up to the second device. You select again, click on destination, so this is how you can do it. Then I want to connect a router with a switch with the same cable, but once you click to the router you have to select gigabit Ethernet. You can select this or this /0/0/0 or this 0/0/1. So guys, you can see all these devices, they are already connected automatically to the switches, but this cable, there is something which is appearing in a red color, means there is no connection between these two devices. So to connect it, let me just put the IP address. This is the IP address of network. This is the IP address of network. Let me just copy it. This is the IP address of the array. It is 192.168.1 then 1, and the IP address of the first PC, let me put 10. Let me put this 30. Then I told you, as you can see, there is no connection. In this PC, we have to put this IP address. Just click on it. Then you select IP configuration. On the IP address, you put this one. The subnet mask will be set automatically. You do the same to the next device. After providing the IP addresses of these devices, we're going to configure this network, this connection between router and switch. But to make this connection, there is two ways. Just click on the router, then you click on config. This connection is for gigabit Ethernet. It was /0/0/0. It is here down. You click on it. Then here on the IP configuration, you're going to provide this IP address of the router. It's 1 and 2, 168, 1 and 1. After providing IP configuration and subnet mask, you click on this button. You select this button on. After selected, the connection will start configuration. But as I told you, this is the fast way you can make connection between router and switch. There is another way you can do it. But first, let's wait and see if this will change in blue. As you can see, it already changed. And you can make even ping between PC and router. Successful. Successful means that the connection has already settled. So this is the first way you can do it. I'm going to show you the second way of making configuration between switch and the router. Let me just delete. Let me just remove this configuration. So to configure, then the next configuration, second configuration, is the same of just the same with the previous I showed you. You have to click on the router,
instead of selecting gigabit ethernet, you have to click on this command. This option is for making a configuration. So once you are in this level, we just type the commands enable. You can just write en, then configure terminal or conft. Then we're going to configure this connection. Just type interface G this is G0/0/0. We type there it is 0/0/0. Then you press enter. The next step is to provide this IP address of the router. Type IP address 192.168.1.1. Then you provide subnet mask. So this is how you can do it. After doing all of these steps, you just make on the router. The command of making on the router is to write no shutdown, or just write no sh and press enter. The connection will be set automatically. And this second way, you can even ping and the connection will accept. So when you ping first time, it may fail, but if you try twice, it will accept. Successful. Now I think that everyone is able to do this connection. But if there is someone who still have challenge, do not hesitate to write for me in a comment. I'm here for helping you guys. Don't worry. You can just text me in the comments and I will help you. But guys, this was just a second part. But we still have another part of this course. Maybe tomorrow or after tomorrow I will share to you another part with more explanation.